Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope all is well. I wanted to come down here to Cherry Grove to show you some improvements that have been made, improvements on the Cherry Grove Pier. We are getting closer to having that connected, so it's pretty exciting. We're gearing up we get the spring breakers coming in next month. And then with Memorial Day on the way, we're going to have the influx of the millions of tourists that love to come to the Grand Strand. And so I want to go ahead and show you what's happening here at the Cherry Grove Pier. Okay. All right, everybody, look at that. How fabulous is that? It's almost connected. So they've been out here working diligently, and we almost have that connection. It's about 15 feet away or so, and so that will be connected. I don't have an exact date, but soon, and definitely be all set, probably another few weeks or so. So be ready for spring breakers, and of course all the folks coming in after and on Memorial Day. So of course all the fishermen are going to be more excited. I just saw a couple of gentlemen were out there fishing. Just as far as the folks at the pier, the workers will let them go, but they were still enjoying the pier, getting some fishing in. It's been a little bit chilly here at the beach. I know it's been chilly across our nation, but we're warming up here next week, so that's going to be awesome. All right, everybody, I just wanted to share that all with you. It actually was a good hair day for me today, but coming out on the beach, I had to put on this hat. So I hope y'all are doing well. And I've been busy. I've been working with a lot of buyers, clients, showing them properties. And I was so excited for my client yesterday. Property I showed him, he fell in love with it, put in the offer. Basically a bidding war going on with this, and it was accepted. So we're thrilled, and I love that. And I have some other buyers I'm working with that are very eager to go ahead and get themselves into not only an investment property, but for them to come down and enjoy themselves. So if you're interested at all, I'd love to go ahead and hear from you and work with you. I have a wealth of experience, knowledge in the real estate market down here in Grand Strand, and know the area very well. You all take care. Until next time, bye-bye.